Y'all ate at the varsity before. Margo. Y'all ate at the varsity. God, you gotta take my neck off. Good gracious. What's up, y'all? It's your girl and I'm back for another video. Okay, y'all, so I'm feeling a lot better today. I'm not driving. My mom's driving today. Like I told y'all I had. So I'm done with my feet on my toes. So y'all natural hair wins. I'm telling y'all. Look at that. Okay. There's a baby girl. Say hey, Blazy Bit. Say hey, mama. Say hey. Say good morning. Bye. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So I'm finna get ready to take Kayla to school. And I will catch y'all at the school. Okay? Look at baby Kayla, y'all. Okay, let me call you. Look at baby Kayla. Say good morning, Blazy Bird. There goes the principal. Yeah, yeah. Oh, she got a hood on. Alright, y'all, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I done dropped baby Kayla off at school. I am currently in a meeting right now. We have a PTO meeting this morning. They're having coffee and donuts. So, that's what I'm doing now. I'm at a meeting at her school. So, I will get back with you guys as soon as I leave here, okay? Okay, y'all, so we done left the meeting, honey. My mama just got up, y'all, and walked out the way. She just walked out the way.
They said 30 minutes. When you tell me 30 minutes.
That's what you gave them, nigga.
30 minutes. No, I gave them 45. You know, anything past that. Some people are long with it. You don't do that. I don't know what nobody got to do. They said 45 minutes. I gave them 45 minutes.
Yeah, so we left the meeting unexpectedly.
I said they go. When I said they go, it's time to go.
I could have put y'all up there on the tripod on the car thing, cause I was just holding my tripod. I want to see my tits. Hey, mama.
I ain't had to buy that. That's what I'm telling you.
You still.
I'm take this shit down.
Wait a minute, y'all. Okay, y'all. So we're in this car. We down here by, where was this here? What did this? The varsity. Y'all ate at the varsity before. Margo. Y'all ate at the varsity. God, you gotta take my neck off. Good gracious. Y'all know Kayla at school. We just left there meeting, honey. So she at school. Hey, y'all. I'm back. I forgot to tell y'all morning affirmation. The morning affirmation is think positive and positive things will happen. Okay? Think positive and positive things will happen. It shall happen. And I miss my baby. I miss my baby. Yuck. 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 I love being a mommy. I love being a mommy. Being a mommy to a beautiful little girl. Yes, she is. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Yeah, maybe you can get on there.
Anyhow, you know, this has been one hell of a day. You know, this has been a hell of a day. Okay?
Stop. Don't hit the people. All right, y'all. We at the bank. We getting cash.
You know what, y'all? I went way up there and did by this motherfucking mouth. So that bitch would hold her arm up. Then she got the goddamn tripod. Now, you know,
She got me a tripod. But you got me the tripod after you got that.
That bitch coming down, y'all.
Y'all ain't that serious.
Going down.
The tripod is that right there is for when we doing sit down videos like in the car and we move on like eating.
I'm gonna go get you some of these.
I want to eat fried green today.
I bet you too.
Let me see.
No,
Mama, give it here. Y'all eat these. Y'all eat fried green tomatoes. Spam the comments and let me know. I ain't never had none. You don't have them, Mama?
I like them.
You don't like them? But you like tomatoes, though.
I can cook them.
Oh, you like red tomatoes though. Y'all, I'm waiting on my baby. Yuck. That's what she'll be saying. Yuck. Yuck. Baby. Yuck. Okay, y'all. So we're walking into the varsity. Okay, y'all. So I'm right now, back right. But y'all, I was saying I'm in the varsity. I'm finna get ready to use the bathroom. So I catch y'all when I get out the bathroom. And I'm ordering my food. I'm finna get ready. Just finna get ready to order my food. We're out of the bathroom. Just finna get ready. Just finna get ready to order our food. So yeah, y'all, there's a lot of people in here. It's so many people. It's so many people. See, we got our food here. We got our food and we got drinks. We're gonna record a mukbang in the car, so stay tuned for that video. So if you want to see our food, go check out the mukbang. So I'm gonna probably upload the mukbang first and then the video, then this video, you know. So yeah, don't forget to check it out. Okay. All right. So I'll catch y'all at the school. Okay. Also, we're at the school. I'm finna get ready to film my mukbang. So stay tuned. Okay. Okay, y'all, so we're done eating, walking. Y'all, varsity got the bad ice. I like that cherry coke, but they're just right there, just too sweet. That don't make no sense. So we're at the school. I'm finna get ready to hit baby Kayla. We in the pickup line. There's a lot of cars right now. So yeah, y'all, we in the pickup line, just chillaxing right now. Thank y'all again for all of your support. I really appreciate it. I really do. So yeah, y'all, like I was saying, I really appreciate y'all. All of y'all support. Thank you. We love you guys. Okay? Baby Kayla is sleeping. Her sleep, her knocked out. So yeah, y'all, so we done made it home and everything. So I got a headache, a little slight headache. Turn it down. All right, y'all. So baby girl and woke up. She's eating Doritos. She wanted some Doritos. She said, I want a snack. She asked her nana for a snack. Maybe her nana. She asked nana for a snack. Love you. Love you. Love you. I know you did just drop your head on mommy. Mommy love you. Mwah. Mwah. Y'all see she turned her head on my kisses? Mwah. She getting tired of your shit. I love you. What's up, y'all? I'm back. Oh, sorry. My friend Brianna was texting me. Hey, y'all. Welcome to the vlog. It is Saturday morning. It's Saturday morning. Mommy finna turn on your light. Okay. Y'all, it's Saturday morning. Yeah, she finna turn the light out. Oh, she turned it on. Turn the light out. Okay, come on. We're all done in the bathroom then. Y'all, she put me in the dog. This is her little bathroom. She got her own bathroom. If y'all didn't know that. She have her own bathroom, a full bath. The tub and all. She could, her little bathroom. In her room. And I keep all her medicine and stuff up there in the cabinet. Y'all, I just picked up all her medicine. All her medicine is up here in the cabinet. But I just picked up some more of her medicine. So yeah, now she closing me up. But y'all, welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. What y'all got planned for this wonderful Saturday? Me and my dudes had fun yesterday, y'all. So y'all saw that though. Come on, tell the vlog good morning.
Oh, don't feel good.
Oh, she's sick, y'all. She have a really, really bad cold. So say a prayer for my dudes tonight. If you're going to say a bad prayer, don't say nothing at all. Say a good prayer. Okay? Because she don't feel good. She has a bad cold. But y'all know she still might be on the vlog a little bit today. Because I don't know what we're doing today, really. We're supposed to be cleaning and getting rid of some stuff because, you know, Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Let me tell y'all what Kayla do. I'm finna tell y'all, okay? Y'all ain't gonna believe me. But Kayla be cussing at school now. So she cussed at school yesterday, y'all. And I just don't know what to do about her. You know, I don't know. Yeah. And we always teach her to say pee-pee. So I don't know where she learned the word P-I-S-S, piss, from. She told the teacher, she woke up and told the teacher she had them piss change her. So I just don't know, you know. Age, I really don't know because we had it down there in Crawfordville. Yeah, I'm from Crawfordville. Rewind. I'm not from Crawfordville. I went to school in Crawfordville. I'm from Greene County, y'all. Union Point, Georgia. But I wouldn't trade the country for nothing in the world, honey. You can't take the country out of me. You might can take me away from the country, but you can't take it out of me. Out of me. Out of me. Sorry. Y'all, we had so much fun. I got to take y'all down there one day. Since now I got my tripod and all this stuff, I can sit up and we can just sit up. I'm going to take y'all down to my best friend's house again because I can actually access stuff better then because I could just sit y'all up somewhere and we can just be chillaxing like having a ball, you know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, so we in Walmart. Y'all see the Walmart sign? We in Walmart. Come on, child. Kayla is at the house, y'all. I mean, without a pull-up. She have on panties, y'all. She have on panties. Y'all look. Look at Mama big hair. Look at Mama big hair. Go, mamas. Y'all, she have on underwear today.
Look back at it.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
Uh-oh, she's trying to show y'all. She got on underwear. They know you got on underwear. You want mommy hand? No? Okay. But yeah, y'all. Everybody know you outside. Look at her, y'all. Look at my baby. So yeah, so we're gonna do a lot, y'all. Now with underwear, we're gonna have a lot of go a lot of places with underwear on instead. We're gonna go a lot of places. Hello. We're gonna go a lot of places with underwear on instead of a pull-up. Okay, because I'm trying to potty train too at the same time. So yeah, y'all. So that's what I'm doing. Put mommy home too? But yeah, y'all, we in this wonderful Walmart. Wonderful Walmart. Alright, y'all. Yeah, y'all. So what y'all got planned on this Saturday? I think I asked y'all that already. Spam in the comments and let me know what y'all doing on this Saturday. Over here and get some stuff. People looking at me crazy with this camera. They look at you crazy like that. Because you're a vlogger. And see, when you vlog and people look at you because you're talking to a camera. Which is fine. I said that people looking at me crazy. I said it when I walked past them. But yeah, y'all. My mom said, why are they looking at you like that? Yeah, I got her hand. Alright, y'all. What's up? Okay, y'all, so we're finna get ready to leave out of Walmart. I am hello. But anyway, y'all, so I am finna get ready to check out. Kayla, please stop. Please don't tell these folk W off the Walmart. Please. Lord have mercy, y'all. Get the act right.
Babu. Babu.
Say to the vlog.
Babu.
Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
No.
Yeah, hello.
No.
Say mwah.
No.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Where you going? Stand up. Give me your hand. Stand up. Y'all, I'll be back. My child don't know how to act. Okay, y'all. So we are out of Walmart. Y'all, I'm sorry that my face is shiny because I put some Vaseline and lotion on my face this morning, so it's shiny. It's shiny, shiny, shiny. So yeah, y'all. So we're leaving out of Walmart now. Mom, you glad? Why are you glad, Mom? They were looking at me like I was crazy because I was vlogging. You know, talking to a camera or whatnot. People look at you crazy like that. I said, what are you looking at? I mean, she kept staring me down, like literally, like she was bit. And then this man, he stared at me down. But y'all, it's okay. I ain't. Now I was scared at first when I first started vlogging. I was like, I ain't doing this stuff because folk looking like I'm crazy. I ain't finna do this. You know what I say? I was like, But then I got over it. It was just, it is what it is. It just, yeah. So it is what it is, you know. But anyway, y'all, I'll catch y'all at the house. Baby girl did a successful visit, a successful run to Walmart with her panties on. So that was a plus. She did good. No pull-up game. No pull-up gang. Gang, gang, gang. Okay. All right. So I will catch y'all at the house. Okay, y'all. So we back in the car. I picked my hair out a little bit, y'all. Just a little bit. And my dips. Nigga, baby. You can't excuse her face, honey. She got puffs on them. She was eating just 3 minutes ago. But yeah, y'all, so we out with my mama for a little bit, for a minute. And then, I don't know where we're going, so I'll catch y'all at the location. Okay, y'all. So we back at the house. We'll probably rearrange your Kayla room a little later. Or do something. I should have vlogged, y'all. I forgot I should have vlogged. We went through downtown because, you know, it's a Georgia game here. And I'm not from Athens. I'm from Greene County. But I stay in Athens, Georgia. So, yeah. So, you know, Georgia Bulldogs is really big here. I'm not a big fan, but, you know, it's just a Georgia. Kayla seeing all the people out. And she had so much fun down there, y'all. But it was hot. It was hot. So, we at home. Because it was hot. But I got to go through some of her stuff. Got to get rid of some of her stuff because Santa Claus is coming.
Trampoline, dollhouse, bed, chair, TV. Cook said everything's just going. It's going once, going twice, gone.
They're a whole room. Yeah, how you going to get rid of something that I bought? That kitchen set was $700. That dollhouse was too.
Stop looking at it. I like saying stuff. Me and Kayla's bored. No.
How you gonna get rid of something I bought?
It's boring.
No, trampoline, yeah, I gotta go. Actually I can take a picture of that right now. Let me show y'all. Get up then, Mark, come on, let's go.
No, I'm doing something. Sit down somewhere. Sit your ass down somewhere, child. Better sit your crooked hip ass down.
Okay, y'all, so that's our kitchen set right there that I got. It was $649. And that's not going nowhere. Hold on, because all her trophies and stuff is over there, and her lamp. There she come. You have the party? Kayla, do you have the potty? Do you have the potty? You got the potty?
Go.
I'm asking you.
Bye.
You got a potty? Kayla. Alright, y'all. But y'all, here go her. Let me show y'all. There go her trampoline right there. Her dad bought her that. So that's, she's still playing with that a little bit, but not really. But we're going to figure out what to do with that too. For this trampoline, I'm going to take a picture of it and sell it. And I got to get her toe out. Which her toe is going to go. I'm trying to put it over there, I guess. Oh, and this is the dollhouse that I got, y'all. All her stuff is in it. Oh, sorry. All her stuff is in it right now. Because that's what she put all her, just everything in it. She just put everything in it. And y'all, this is her closet full of clothes already. Y'all know I had got rid of some of her clothes. But it still have plenty of clothes in here. And her stuff on the top shelf. Still is here. And she still had clothes here. Y'all, it's just clothes everywhere. Because I don't hang them up right then and there. Alright, y'all. So, I got my tripod in my hand. I'm just holding my phone right now. I'm finna get ready to go and get something to eat because we haven't ate nothing. We have been cleaning up Kayla's room, y'all. Excuse this couple, it's so disrespectful. We have been cleaning up Kayla's room and my room and everything, in her room, my mama's room. We've been doing all of that for right now. We just haven't ate nothing, so we finna take a break and try to go get something to eat. Well, I'm finna go get something to eat. You see nobody's in my car but me. Kayla's gonna be here with my mom because I didn't want to put her in the car with me because she haven't had a nap. And I don't want to go to sleep without eating something, but y'all know my lips are chapped, so it's really irking my nerves. So yeah. So this is what I'm finna do now. I'll take y'all along with me while I go get something to eat, okay? So how about that? Y'all wanna go with me to go get something to eat? I gotta go to 2 different places. I gotta go to Wendy's and I'm going to McDonald's. So I'm gonna go into 2 different places. Y'all, I just didn't really do too much to my hair today. It's your deal. I don't even care. But I'll catch y'all at my first location, okay? Bye. Alright, y'all. So I'm at Wendy's. Okay, can I get the number 6 with extra tomatoes with the Coke? That'll be all. Thank you. So yeah, y'all, and get my mama something else. Thank you. You too. So I got her a spicy chicken sandwich with the Coke. I gotta get some ketchup and stuff. So I know that's what she like. And I'm going to McDonald's for me because I've been craving like Big Macs lately. That's all I've been eating. Can I get some ketchup and salt? Thank you. You too. Okay, so I got my mom food. And now I'm finna get ready, y'all, to head to McDonald's. Oh, wait, everything's so clear. Oh, shit. Oh, I forgot, y'all, the game done started. So it's 4 o'clock, so y'all know the game done started now. So that's why everything's so clear. So I done made it home. My mama got her a spicy chicken sandwich from Wendy's with lettuce and tomato. Did they put extra tomatoes on her?
Yeah.
Okay. And she got fries. Really good. It might be good. Now, that's a spicy chicken sandwich. That would come with. I got Kayla some nuggets, and I got us a large fry. I got me a Big Mac with the apple pie, and she like the sweet and sour sauce. And I got, and I got a Sprite to drink. Y'all look at her drinking out of a big girl cup. Look at baby drinking out of a cup. Look at that. Look at that. Mama's so proud of Mama baby. Her growing so much, Mama baby, Mama baby. Y'all know she been had on underwear all day, so she been doing pretty good. She had 2 accidents, but other than that, she been doing pretty good. I'm proud of her.
You got enough? No.
Woo, y'all. I had to end up going back to McDonald's. Y'all saw I got me a Big Mac. So I had to end up going back to McDonald's because I said no onions and no lettuce. They ain't put no lettuce on, but they were full of onions, and I was like, no. So I'm going back to McDonald's. I got my food straightened out. So y'all, it's 6 o'clock in the evening, and I'm really not doing nothing else right now. I may take Kayla to the park later on. If I do, it will be on tomorrow's vlog, which will be Sunday vlog. But it'll be like the evening before or something like that or whatever. But I may. It depends. I really don't know yet, but I may. That's a big might. Okay. Depends on how her asthma do, because it's been kind of acting up most of the day. So it depends on how that's doing too. Right now it's too hot to go to the park, so I want to take her probably to about 7:30 or 8 o'clock tonight at the most, or 7:30. Do 7:30, I might. But if I do, I will get some footage of it. But I'm gonna end the vlog off right here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Once you hit that bell, you know you have joined the family. Also share. Pass me around, okay? I'm not a secret. I never was. I love you guys. Follow me on my social media. It's in the description box below. You already know, okay? I love you guys. And until next time, I'll catch y'all in this vlog or video. Peace.